Hi guys, Chuck and Glenn back in the lighting lab, the Lutron lighting lab today. And here's the story. We ran a special on these occupancy. Occupancy. I can't get that right. But I want to tell you guys, a friend of mine, now a woman, single woman, grown up, a classy lady. I mean, she's a comptroller for a huge car dealer, what do you call it, conglomerate.
Yeah.
And she saw the ad. She saw the video. And she said, hey, I want some of those. I said, well, okay. I said, you're going to have some help putting them in. She said, I can do it. Guys, she got 5 switches, put them in within 2 hours by herself. This
Loves
is
them. Loves them.
Loves them to death. And this is a sophisticated woman that wears high heels and skirts to work. She's not a mechanic or a do-it-yourselfer.
Right.
Put them in herself.
She's got some common sense.
Very much so, common sense, and walk through the instructions. Actually, read the instructions. So here's the point: you can buy these things, most of them, for under $20. Why wouldn't you? I mean, it makes life so convenient. And Glenn got a Christmas present of it this year, so
I did.
We'll see. We'll talk more about that. But anyway, so call us on these. We've got plenty of stock, plenty of all the Lutron stuff, and what we don't have, we can drop ship PDQ. We've got one of the best Lutron tech support guys right in our back pocket. So, guys, this is a whole new area of revenue for you. Yes?
Revenue, and even some people are a little bit nervous by it. I think a little bit scared. Get a few. Put them in your own home. Once you do, you'll see it's simple and it's fun.
Thanks for your time. We'll see you soon.
Thank you.
Call us first.